Dear friends, making money in the countryside or rural areas involves a variety of activities and opportunities. Agriculture and food production are the most traditional ways of generating income in rural areas, but there are other options. Here are some ways to make money in the countryside. Agriculture and horticulture. Cultivating agricultural products like grains, fruits, vegetables, or raising livestock, poultry, or fish is a common option. You can sell these products in local markets, to distributors, or directly to consumers. Organic production. Organic food production is in high demand, and many consumers are willing to pay a premium for high-quality organic products. Agrotourism. Turn your rural property into a tourist destination by offering activities such as horseback riding, staying in rural cottages, farm visits, fruit picking, and more. Homemade product production. Make homemade products such as jams, cheeses, bread, preserves, honey, among others, and sell them locally or at fairs. Craftsmanship. If you have artistic skills, you can create and sell crafts such as ceramics, textiles, wood sculptures, or other rural products. Flowers and ornamental plants. The production of flowers and ornamental plants can be profitable, especially if you create unique or high-quality varieties. Beekeeping. Raising bees and producing honey, beeswax, and other bee-related products can be a stable source of income. Silviculture. If you have a forest on your property, you can consider sustainable timber management for furniture, construction, or paper production. Rural tourism. In addition to agrotourism, you can offer rural tourism experiences such as trails, birdwatching, picnics, and other natural attractions. Education and training. Share your knowledge about agriculture, gardening, animal husbandry, or other aspects of rural life through courses, workshops, or consulting. Renewable energy. Installing solar panels or wind turbines on your rural property can generate renewable energy, and even provide surplus power to the grid. Land leasing. If you have unused land, you can consider leasing it to farmers or businesses in need of space to expand their operations. Online sales. You can sell your products, such as food, crafts, honey, etc., on online platforms, reaching a broader market. Repair and maintenance services. If you have skills in mechanical, electrical, or construction repairs, you can offer maintenance services to other rural properties. Remember that success in generating income in the countryside often requires planning, knowledge, and dedication. Evaluate the opportunities available in your area, and identify those that align best with your interests and resources. It is also important to consider sustainability and responsible agricultural practices to ensure long-term success. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you know someone who could benefit from the insights we've shared, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.